Hey food lovers, today I'm going to show you how to fry salmon perfectly crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Whether you're cooking dinner or meal prepping for the week, this recipe is super easy and packed with flavor. Here's what you'll need: 2 salmon fillets, salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon olive oil or butter, lemon wedges. First, pat your salmon fillets dry with a paper towel. This helps them crisp up in the pan. Now season both sides with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Don't be shy, seasoning is key. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Add olive oil or butter and let it get hot, but not smoking. Gently place the salmon fillets skin side down in the pan. Let them cook for about 4 to 5 minutes without moving them. You'll see the color changing from the bottom up. That's your sign. Now flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until golden and cooked through. Don't overcook it. Salmon should be flaky, not dry. Remove from the pan and let it rest for a minute. Serve with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and your favorite side may be veggies, rice, or mashed potatoes. And there you have it, crispy fried salmon that's simple, delicious, and ready in minutes. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking!